First take profit hit. Let's go. Target filled. That's why you stick to your convictions. That's why we banged twice today. Today we had another banger day. We had 5 trades on the day. The market literally formed another W for us with how much W's we took this morning. We had 5 winning trades today and 0 losses. We took all the trades live on my channel, 7 a.m. Pacific, 10 a.m. Eastern. You only need 2 to 5 trades a day. You don't need to be trading every hour. You don't need to be trading 10 times a day. 5 trades a day will make you consistent income. If you like the content, you like the video, subscribe. As I said, SPY literally formed a W for us on the day. We started off the day sniping calls off of our key level 452.80. As soon as I saw this bearish candle off of this key level and I shorted buy right here, I got in. I took a nice 40-cent play. I forgot to record this trade while I was on the live, but we did absolutely bank. As I said, as soon as I saw this, I entered in shorts off of this key level right here. Now onto my second trade of the day. It was low of day. I got calls off of this bullish candle right here. Again, I entered off the close of the red candle. I drew my box like this. Now this is where it gets complicated, so try and take notes and keep up. As you can see, the take profit was higher than the price went. That's because we had a major key level right above us near a take profit zone. When there's a key level right before you take profit, you want to be wary and take your profits at your key level, especially when you're getting confluence like this. On the 1 minute, that 5 minute closed and you draw your box. This is where that 5 minute closed. So instead of having your box all the way down here at the bottom of this wick, you see SPYs consolidating near your key level and bouncing off this floor. So you want to move your box up to where it's consolidating and have this zone be your next take profit. So when going back to the 5 minute, you grab this, bring it up. Now this is your take profit and it lines up perfectly with our key level from yesterday. That was a more advanced strategy. You could also take profit as soon as we wicked through this key level right here. And I did notice this a little bit into my trade, so I did take profit at this level and I adapted and I still ended off that trade green. We're about to enter in some longs. I'm in 10 contracts. I will add more as we dip towards my stop loss. I am charting my take profits right here. Boom. That is my stop loss. My take profit is at this high right here. Stop loss is at this low. Let's go. Second trade of the day. Let's see if this is a banger. Let's go! Patience pays, guys. First take profit's about to hit.
Target filled.
First take profit hit. Let's go! Take profit's about to hit. Final take profit on 10 contracts.
Target filled.
Target filled. That's why you stick to your convictions. That's why we banked twice today. That's why we're up so much. Now my third trade of the day was calls at low of day again. Now right here, bullish candle off of this 5 minute key level. Now the key level is 449.74. the candle closed right here. I entered in, took my box, drew it, and I took 2 points on that. As you can see, we spiked up as soon as the candle closed. I took my profit. So we got calls off of this bullish candle right here on the 5 minute, testing a micro key level, and we did average down as we dropped. This 1 minute, it's gonna close, it's gonna pump.
Target filled.
First take profit hit. On our way to our second take profit. Let's go. And final take profit hit. Let's go. My next trade was shorting SPY off of this bearish candle right here. It was the high of the hour. We didn't want to enter off of this bearish candle because number one, we didn't wick through our key level. Number two, we had no bottom wick. We need a bottom wick to show support for the sellers. So we entered off of this next bearish candle. As soon as this closed, we entered and we took our profits exactly at previous closing price down here. I entered fucking light as hell. Okay, 3 contracts. Take profits about to hit. Target filled 4 for 4 on the day. Our last trade of the day was this bullish candle off of our key level 450. Now I did enter off this red candle. As you can see, we did get stopped out, but I re-entered as soon as this candle closed, and I kept my take profit level of this original bullish wick. This happens sometimes around 2:30 p.m. Yesterday around 2:30 p.m. I almost got stopped out of my trade, so I knew here that if I got stopped out, I would re-enter off of more confirmation, and that's exactly what happened. So we draw a take profit on this. Our stop loss is right here. Take profit zone is all the way here, a little past PCP. Now we draw next box, and as soon as I saw this, I knew I was supposed to enter. Now I drew my box, and I knew I was gonna get double my gains back because I did take a small L, 2 bullish confirmations straight in a row, an indecisive candle here. There's no signs that it's bearish, so I got in very bullish. I'm entering in 3 seconds.
Order filled.
I'm in calls off of that bullish candle. We might dip down. If we dip down, I'm adding more contracts. Stop loss is at the low. Stop loss is at the low right here. Take profits right here. Boom. Live trade with you guys.
Stop filled.
Stop filled, guys. We got stopped out on that trade. We took a $50 loss on that, but I'm still up 540 bucks. We might have gotten stopped out here for a nice fake. I'm not gonna lie. The same thing happened yesterday. Okay, bullish candle. I'm in again. I'm in again. This is a good entry here. We did get a new. There we go. Let's see if we can get our loss back on this one. Let's make a new box right here. If this trade is an L, I'm calling it a day because the market just does not want to give me that shit. As soon as we were in, it's flying. Let's go. It's about to hit take profit. First take profit hit. Second take profit. Let's see if it hits. Final take profit hit. Let's fucking go. Bank City. Oh my god. I told you it would stop us out. And we fucking reversed that shit. We're hitting our original take profit at the 20 EMA. W's in fucking chat. Easy money, bro. Let's go. So our key levels looking into Tuesday are starting from the top. Again, the gap at 456.47. 455.54, 455.10, 454.75, 453.55, 457.80, 452.20, 451.70, 452.20, 451.05, which is previous closing price, 450.81, 450.36, $450. 449.25, 448.77, 448.11, 447.50, 447.06, 446.71, 446.40, 445.82, and 445.24. Now that's a lot of key levels. Write them all down. Chart it on your chart. Whenever we see a nice bullish confirmation at low of day, enter longs. We see a nice bearish confirmation at high of day, enter shorts. I am live every single day of the week, 7 a.m. Pacific, 10 a.m. Eastern, until market close. If you're confused about the strategy, please leave a comment. I will answer your questions. That's it for today. We took a big W on the day with the 80% win rate. That's it for today. Stay green, stay confident. I'm out.